starting this video off great.
Okay, what's going on YouTube? This is AOM Refresh, here with AOM Riches.
What it do?
We're about to play some Operation, or whatever it's called, Surgeon. And first you're gonna be, freaking shut up! God!
Oh my god, bro.
I was flipping it.
You, dude, kind of need to freaking charge this thing. He almost knocked over the freaking mic.
Hey, well, you gotta flip. See? Look. That's what it does. So you have to do that.
I'm about to
See the battery! Oh! Oh
yeah, and
I hate fax machines.
if you want to see the first parts, come to my channel. Got some crazy stuff.
The link will be in the description below. Perform a heart transplant. I can do that. Patient Bob. Come here. Oh, what? What is happening? I'll just release and let that bye.
Alright, that happened.
Alright. What should I use to get his lungs out? I think this hammer might be lying order. Oh!
Yeah, just, dude, go ham on him, bro.
I'm going hammer on him.
Why does this always happen to you?
Oh.
You're trying to rip it out, dude.
Oh.
Dang, bro.
Oh.
Putting the feds on Bob, bro.
Man, come here. I just gotta knock your bones out so I can, rip all your intestines out. Oh, that sounded juicy. Nailed it. Ugh.
This is going amazing.
I know, this is like crazy.
I must say, this is going freaking amazing.
Here, use this as a pillow. Bye.
Well, you guys can see how I'm looking at him right now. Make
Oh,
a fag joke like that.
Okay, here, I'll give you a double pillow. There you go. I'll do that.
Oh, you need to cut out that red thing first, dude.
Oh yeah, I do. I need to get that crap out. Alright, come here. Freaking maggot.
You cannot rip that junk out, dude.
Yeah, well, are you kidding me? Like, I just gotta give it a little twist. Oh, oh, okay.
Right there, that's the spot.
Oh,
look at that.
Somebody come look at this.
Bro, this is some good freaking teamwork right here.
Alright. Freaking piece of gum.
Ew, bro.
Oh, this is so gross. Hey, maybe if I put this right here, it looks like it has an elephant trunk. I think I got it.
Yep.
Did I get it?
Yep.
Yeah, I did because it quit beating. Alright.
Refresh, why are you always burping these videos, dude?
Open sesame. Come here. Come here, heart. Nailed it. So we can put the heart
Major
in.
key. Major.
Because you can't function without a heart.
Major key.
Bones don't mean anything.
Exactly.
That your teachers might tell you that, but when they tell you that, just think of me and how I sling your heart in your face.
Deep inside.
Whoa!
Load it up.